Hey, welcome back. So today I want to talk about vibing with nature. I don't know. Right now is the perfect time, I guess, for me. In Tennessee, it's beautiful. Um, so yeah, like even at home, just try, especially like just go walking outside or just get um get a feel for the environment and just really um envelop yourself with the outside, and it's calming, it's beautiful. And I mean in some places, but even normally in your home, wherever, just go outside and just chill, just get your mind off. Maybe, I don't know, do breathing techniques, anything. Just go outside and enjoy nature.